Find available IP addresses. An Internet Protocol address, or more commonly known as an IP address, is very important, especially if you want to connect other devices to your computer, such as another computer, a console used for gaming, printer, scanner, etc. Basically, an IP address is likened to the language that computers have, so that they will be able to communicate with each other and stay connected. Each device has its own IP address so that it will be able to easily connect with another device. However, there are also IP addresses that are still available and can be used. Here is how to find available IP addresses. Click the Start menu that is usually found on the lower left on your computer. It may sometimes also be the pearl shaped with Windows logo, also located on the lower left. Click Run. A window will then open, letting you open a folder or run a program on your computer depending on what keywords you type. Type the keyword CMD, not including the quote marks, on the dialog box located next to the word Open. Then click OK. Doing this will open the command prompt, which is a window with a black background and white texts are in it. If you follow this step correctly, you will see that window. In the command prompt, type in IP protocol configuration, not including the quote marks, right where the cursor is. This process will let you see your IP address. Press Enter after typing. Several lines of text will pop up on the screen. Do not panic, as this is normal. After the lines have stopped popping, your IP address will be seen in one of those lines. Search for the line of text that says IP address. Your IP address will be the group of numbers located after the IP address. For example, 192.168.2.1. That will be your personal IP address used by your computer. After that, scroll the window down, and on the flashing cursor located below all the lines of texts, type in ping 192.168.1.x, without the quote marks. You will notice that the first 7 numbers are the same as your IP address as that located on the upper portion, and where X is equivalent to the number that you want to see if it is still available. For example, the number 8. What you will type will come out as ping 192.168.1.8. If what you typed is still available to use, the result of the command prompt will come out saying destination host unreachable. If it is not available and is already in use by some other device, it will try to connect with the device. An IP address is commonly used by computer technicians to know where a certain computer is located if ever they want to find out about the location of a computer. It is also used by the higher authorities to search for clues in certain cases involving computers.